Hello trader, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to trade using the previously discussed price action breakout strategy, because I can see some comments that have doubt that how can they use the same strategy while trading over binary options. So here I am explaining you the trading setup and we'll take a trade as well. So we are using Euro US dollar, which is my favorite chart, and I'm using 1 minute candlestick to analyze the chart. And right now if we go by price action, it's clearly a downtrend. This is the high, low, lower high, lower low, so it's a confirmed downtrend. And now market is actually at the resistance, but I can use that, and we are going to draw a trend line here as well. I'll change the color, it is not quite visible, so this is of white color, and we'll make it white and bold as well. So now it's quite visible. You can see this is a resistance trend line. It shows that market is in downtrend. I have created this support trend line because if we get a breakout from that support trend line, market is going to fall. The strategy was the same. We have to wait for the market to form a trend, and then we will draw our support or the resistance trend line, and then we'll wait for the breakout. And once there is a breakout, we are going to take a trade in that direction, as in this case the trend is downtrend, and that's why I'm using this support trend line. And once market broke that, we are going to use it as a trading opportunity. Right now this is the setup, and well, okay, so we are going to take a 5-minute trade. Right now the setup is quite good, and market is at, you can see it got rejected from the resistance. And now let's see how this candle will perform. If this candle closes as a strong one, and yes, it actually is showing some respect to the support line, which is a good thing. Let's wait for the market. If this candle broke the trend line and closes below, we are going to place a 5-minute trade. Otherwise we'll wait if market rejected again. So let's see. Right now I can see some rejection, but still this candle will decide if this is working or not. I'll increase the time here. No, we can't take it as a breakout. Let's switch. Okay, so we have got this support trend line. We'll wait for the market to break it. We need a clear breakout. The trend is downtrend clearly, so we need a good breakout in that lower direction so that we can place a trade. The price action here is also showing that market can break in at any minute, because it formed a high here, then it formed a low. Right now it is going to create the lower high, and after the breakout it will create lower low. This is just a, let me show you in smaller time frame so that you can understand it. See, high, low, lower high, lower low. So it is also forming a downtrend. What we need is a breakout in that case if we get one. Otherwise we have to stick with the strategy. The strategy is simple. We have to wait for the market to break in the downward direction. Otherwise we can't place any trade. And here market is at the resistance trend line. This is a resistance trend line. It is showing that market is still in the downtrend, but okay, let's wait. Market again rejected the same level. It's kind of looking like a breakout. Okay, it again closes below the level. You can see this is a horizontal resistance level, and that's why market is respecting this level. I'm still in the favor of market going in the downward direction if we got a breakout. I think we have to remove this trend line. Now it's good. I'll draw this resistance horizontal level because market is respecting this level. Now it's a ascending triangle pattern, and if we found a breakout in the upward direction, we can surely go for a trade. But I wanted to show you a trading setup using our previously discussed strategy. So I'm still in the favor of market breaking this support line so that we can go for a trading. No, will be very steep. We'll stick with it. We'll wait for the right opportunity. I think it's going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video, and as soon as I got an opportunity I will start explaining you again. So let's wait. So we got a breakout and I have entered our trade here. You can see this is a clear breakout here, and market, you can see it broke the low of the breakout candle, and that's why I placed the trade. Now let's wait for the result. The result will be out in the next 5 minutes, so we have to wait. I'm going to fast forward this video again, and after the result we'll explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade and it's a clear win. So now let me explain you the setup, the strategy. First of all, let me discuss you. So the strategy state that you need to find the trend first. So in this case, you can see this is the high, this is the low, lower high and lower low. It confirmed that now the price action suggests that the trend is downtrend. As according to the strategy, if we found a downtrend, we need to create a support trend line and wait for the market to break it. Market got confirmation here that this is a downtrend. We didn't get any opportunity here. We used this support trend and you can see market respected here. It respected here and market broke this trend support level here. We enter our trade as soon as market break the low of the breakout candle. I didn't place my trade here just after the breakout because in most cases you will find fake outs. So to avoid fake outs, you have to wait for the market to break the low of the breakout candle when you are trading in the downward direction. If you're trading in the upward direction in an uptrend, you have to wait for the market to break the high of the breakout candle. In this case, this was the low of the breakout market. You can see it reached till here, so I placed a trade for 5 minutes here and you can see market is falling. If you have taken a forex trade using the same, it will be going in positive. If you taken a stock trade or commodity trade, it will be going in your favor. So the strategy is same for all the price action charts that you are using, you have to just find a way to apply it according to your trading style. In this case, I took a 5-minute trade here. Now there is some confusion in your mind that you will take a 5-minute trade after the market broke the low. You have to understand that this candle is the breakout candle. It means that you will take a 5-minute trade as soon as we got a breakout. Let me explain you one more time. So this is the candle. You can see market broke the low here on the very first attempt, so I placed a 5-minute trade. If suppose this candle was not able to break the low but it goes up, and this next candle you can see it broke the low, so I will place a 4-minute trade. I will not take a 5-minute trade here. If this candle was not also able to broke the low, if the third candle broke the low, we will take a 3-minute trade. So after the breakout, you can only take a 5-minute trade. You have to understand it. And if the third candle was not able to break the low of the candle, you will avoid taking that trade. You will not take the trade if the third candle was not able to take any trade. So you can take a 5-minute trade for the first candle. If the second candle broke the low, you can take a 4-minute trade. If the third candle broke the low, you can take a 3-minute trade. But after that, you will avoid taking the trade over that same setup. So this is about the trading setup. I hope that you have understand the concept. And if you haven't watched that price action trading breakout strategy, then you need to watch that video, because I have explained some basic rules about price action that will help you to understand the chart more clearly. I have there are things that I have developed over time which I have shared on that video, so you need to watch that. I will try to put the link in this video description or in the video itself, so you can watch that video. So with this note, I will finish this video here, hoping that you have understand the concept and the strategy and how you can apply it in binary trading. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.